Hey everyone, we're delving into the Hotwav R8 tablet today, a brand new tough gadget for 2024. Hotwav, which is well known for its strong design and longevity, has gained recognition for producing gadgets that can survive in harsh environments. Let's examine whether the Hotwav R8 delivers on its promises of performance, functionality, and safety. The design of the Hotwav R8 represents its main function, which is durability. The R8's sturdy rubber and plastic cover makes up for its little weight gain over typical tablets of its size. It looks bold and contemporary because of the black and orange color scheme, which complements traditional tough devices. The tablet is nonetheless reasonably small, manageable, and portable in spite of its sturdy construction. It is resistant to moderate drops, dust, and water, thanks to its IP68 and IP69K ratings. When you operate in difficult situations or go on outdoor adventures, you won't have to worry about unintentional falls or splashes. A 10.1-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels is included with the tablet. The screen is perfect for reading, streaming videos, and casual browsing because it has wide viewing angles and vibrant colors, even though it isn't the sharpest on the market. Even at lower settings, the brightness levels are enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The Unisoc T606 CPU is the brains behind the Hotwav R8. It easily manages everyday chores like document processing, light gaming, and movie playback when paired with 4 gigs of RAM. For less taxing games, the graphics processor guarantees steady frame rates and fluid multimedia performance. With 128 gigabytes of internal storage that can be expanded via microSD, the smartphone has enough room for files and apps. The tablet is a flexible, standalone gadget that also accepts 2 SIM cards, allowing for mobile internet and call functions. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G networks, and GPS navigation technologies like Galileo and GLONASS are all supported with the Hotwav R8. Easy charging and accessory connectivity are made possible with the current USB Type-C interface. The Hotwav R8's enormous 10,800 mAh battery, which can run for 10 to 12 hours or many days of moderate use on a single charge, is one of its best features. It is ideal for prolonged outdoor excursions or work in isolated locations due to its long-lasting functionality. The Hotwav R8 is notable for its long battery life, sturdy construction, and reliable performance for daily chores. It is a great option for field workers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anybody else in need of a durable, dependable tablet because of its capacity to last under harsh conditions. The Hotwav R8 is a good option if you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting gadget. As always, please share your opinions in the comments section, and remember to subscribe to the channel in order to receive future reviews. Have a nice day, and God bless you.